Okay, I'm not saying that this is going to happen to everyone, but this is a great example about why you should always review your severance with an attorney. When a company offers you severance pay, they're not doing it to be nice. They are doing it because once you take the money and sign the severance agreement, you've waived your right to sue them. And most of the time, they're betting that the severance they're offering you is worth less than any legal claim you might have against them. That's why it's always important to talk to an experienced employment lawyer whenever you have a severance offer to make sure you're not leaving money on the table.